But she was more scared for her kids and their life. She won't be that guy, we won't make it through the night. I know this pain and suffering reasons I never tried. Kinda sad if you really think about it. We're the same people, so then why are we divided? We should be together as one and be united, but instead we chose to separate into clans and cause violence. Plus, no one can explain, cause everyone you ask say they're trying to make a change. But how could that be when our country's still the same? And we still doing things that are ruining our name. Lie, how recession bad. No such a government that'll do the job. So, there's people dying young. Mothers see time, cause she lost the only son. Our people still starve, but still be not gone. And those who made it out forgot where it came from. But they're really not to blame. The reason why the left is cause they're trying to hide the pain. Our people still dying, so the pain still remains. They ain't dying over nothing, so what is there to gain? Other countries won't help, they wanna see us in this way. They know if we unite, Somali people will be great. I know there will be peace, but now when it be all this chaos and destruction, cause our country to be weak. We suffer for too long, that's been so many grief, and now our people are going through it right now. I'll just speak, I cry when I see a young child who can't eat. The reason why I cry is once that was me. I remember everything like it was a dream, or more like a nightmare I wish I hadn't seen. For us to have a better life, my father had to leave. He wanted to go and find a place that we could all be. A very hard journey, but it did eventually. Now I think about the ones that's unfortunate to me and say, my heart bled and ache, cause it hurts me to still still fighting to this day. To fight your own people doesn't mean that you're brave, but to fight for that argument, that's a different case. But we don't have an argument, so what is there to say?